best thing ever.
Yeah, isn't it fun?
So much fun.
I want to play the bug one next. The bug attack.
The best thing better is better than nerds! It's Tubey Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys. I'm with my assistant.
I'm Tubey.
Today we are reviewing ZURU's XSHOT flying bugs. It comes with 2 guns and this really cool rapid fire launcher. You just install it like this.
I already got this from the Nerf gun.
How cool is this? And it holds how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rounds.
For you guys, there's 2 packs.
Yes, it comes with 2 guns. Let's launch this up right here. Okay, it goes 90 feet, so it's 27 meters, guys. Right here. I'm gonna press it because I didn't do my toes. All right, guys, hold it. Oh, part 2.
You so well.
Start. You go like this. Isn't that cool? And look at this.
Find it.
Better than Nerf. I know, isn't it? How fun. Wow.
Wow.
That's a cool shot.
These are already set up. I'm gonna do this. Look. Look. I want to do one.
Go ahead, try to get it. We're gonna show you how fast the XSHOT flying bug attack goes. This thing shoots so super fast. As Marcello or M2B says, it's better than Nerd. Figure it out. What are we gonna do? We're gonna shoot at these balloons only, okay?
Blue one.
Wow! Wow! What? Oh!
Janet, ready? Oh, look out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Watch out. Bugs are coming at you. 3, 2, 1.
One got
Watch out, you can be the retriever.
I want to be the gun.
Got it. Got it.
Nice. Now it's raining like all summer long. So ZURU's flying bug attack toy is amazing. It's better than Nerd, according to M2B over here. Look at this. What do you think of it?
Good.
You gotta watch out. Shoot the balloons, not mommy. The balloons ahead. You pull this back.
Wait, wait.
No, not like that, buddy. You have to pull the gray part.
Oh.
Pull the gray part.
Okay. All right.
Pull it back.
Can I be behind you?
No, you don't shoot. What are you doing?
Butt.
No, you can't shoot my butt. Shoot the balloon. Pull it back. All right.
How about
Okay.
you do it like this?
It doesn't work that way, buddy.
Yes, it does.
Ooh. Ooh. No.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.